In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can fix Discord stuck on starting screen. If this does help you out, make sure to go ahead and like the video, subscribe down below, and let's get into it.
So guys, let's assume you're having this problem over here whereby your Discord is stuck here and you definitely can't get over it. So I'm gonna show you how you can obviously go ahead and fix it. Now to fix it, first of all, you need to check your internet connection. Like you can see over here, guys, the internet connection hasn't been good. So click over here, then turn on your Wi-Fi. Now connect to any nearby Wi-Fi. For this case, I'll connect to this Wi-Fi over here. And then once the connection is successful, Discord will then load. Just give it a few seconds in its retrieve. It will then start loading. You can see, guys, it's now officially loading and starting. So basically, that's how to fix Discord, which is stuck on starting screen. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We shall meet once again.